Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Resorts and Residences, Buttonwood Bay, an active 55+ resort. Thank you for booking your stay. Let's look around. What makes Buttonwood Bay unique is we're an active 55+ resort that sits on Lake Josephine, where you can do all the boating and fishing you can handle. We offer many amenities, including 2 beautiful pools to lounge at, a billiards hall, a fitness center, and 2 clubhouses where we host many events. Our residents like to enjoy many of our outdoor activities, including shuffleboard, bocce ball, horseshoe, pickleball, and mini golf. To help make this your home away from home, we offer 2 comfort stations equipped with bathrooms and showers, an on-site laundry facility, and a mailroom. We're pet friendly, so bring your furry friends to enjoy our dog parks. Outside of the resort, there's many great things to do as well, including Lake Placid, the town of murals, or you can go to Highlands Hammock State Park and enjoy a nature walk, or go to Sebring International Raceway where they host many racing events, or you can go enjoy some shopping and dining in downtown Sebring. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, just like our maintenance manager, Drew.
Thanks, Jonathan. If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, please come find me.
We have a variety of ways to stay, short-term and long-term, including RV, vacation rental, and when you're ready to make this your permanent place, check out our home sales. Download our Sun Outdoors mobile app, where you can book your next stay and plan your upcoming adventure. Be sure to follow all the activities through the app during your stay at our resort. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Resorts and Residences, Buttonwood Bay, where you and your family will make lasting memories. See you soon.